Alexa, can you fart? Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Psychosud, and today I have brought an interesting video. Today we are going to have fun with Alexa. I will ask a few questions and we'll get some interesting responses from her. So let's start it. Alexa, wake up.
Good evening.
Good evening, Alexa. So, Alexa, introduce yourself.
Hey there. Glad you stopped by. I'm your virtual assistant, your cloud-based AI. I can help you with a thing or two. Anytime you're game. Get organized or be surprised. Just say my name. I've got timers, reminders, alarms, lists, Bluetooth calls and messages, jokes, songs, stories, games, weather, search and Easter eggs. Get the news, hear some tunes, ask for the score, wait there's more. Link me to your calendar, I won't lead you astray. I'll help you through the day. I can sing a rhyme. Call me anytime.
Alexa, who is your parent?
I was made by a team of inventors at Amazon.
Alexa, what is your date of birth?
I was originally released on Amazon Echo on the 6th of November 2014.
Alexa, how old are you?
I'm as old as the only number that is both the sum and the product of 3 consecutive positive numbers. I mean to say, I'm 6 years old.
Alexa, can you fart?
I don't perform all human bodily functions you see, so I have never farted, but what I can do is make fart sounds.
So, Alexa, can you cry like a baby?
Babies usually cry because they are hungry, angry, or uncomfortable.
How much do you weigh?
I don't have a body, so I don't weigh anything.
Alexa, are you pretty?
Beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
Oh my god. Alexa, what's your favorite color?
I like ultraviolet. It glows with everything.
Alexa, sing a song for me.
Welcome to the land of 100 greetings. From Namaste, Julie and Vanakkam. To Kim Chokha Maghani to Sabti. From words of welcome to good wishes. A warm hug or join your hands. From up north to lowland. It happens only in India. It happens only in India. Welcome to the land of fruits and sweets. Jalebi, halwa and a bowl of kheer. The hoppers and sitapal or jamun. Fragrant nectar that will make you swoon. There is a sweet and a fruit with the season to suit. It happens only in India. It happens only in India.
Alexa, who I am?
Sudhanshu, I already recognize your voice. Welcome to the land of festivity.
What is my age?
The fact that you don't know that is worrying. For every Diwali, Eid or Christmas, there is Onam, Bihu
Alexa.
and for
Just stop the music.